Hi everybody, me Mohammed Ashraf, Chairman Alexandra Secondary School, Kopal. Today I am here to deliver a lecture upon the topic Pythagorean theorem. You all know about the theorem. It is well-known theorem from mathematics, from middle classes to PG classes. Everybody knows about it. But the basic, fundamental, the logic, the practical proof, hardly 1% candidates who knows about it. I will try to understand you logically, practically. I will give you practical proof. Let me try to understand you. Okay, let me start. We all know Pythagoras depends upon this right angular triangle ABC. I took a right angular triangle ABC. Okay, AB is base, AC is perpendicular, and BC is hypotenuse. I assume the dimensions scale is 1 inch equal to 1 feet. Due to the small board, I took the dimensions as 1 inch equal to 1 feet. So this AB is a small a, that is 4 feet, and this perpendicular AC 3 feet and hypotenuse BC 5 feet. Okay, you know AB square plus AC square, that is base square plus perpendicular square. This A square plus B square, this is A equal to 4 feet, B equal to 3. A square plus B square, 4 square plus 3 square equal to BC hypotenuse, that is 5 square. 4 into 4 16, 3 into 3 9, 5 into 5 25. 16 plus 9, that is 25, equal to 25. Numerically, we have proved it that base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, let me try to understand you logically. Now, first of all, I will give you a brief introduction about square. What is square? Square is four-sided figure which has all sides equal and all angles are right angles. Okay, we took a square upon this AB. AB, we draw a square upon AB base. That is AB, you know it is 4 feet. So this side also we draw 4 feet, and this side 4 feet, and this side 4 feet. Okay. Now another square we are going to draw upon this perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular, you know it is 3 feet. So this side 3 feet, and this side 3 feet, and this side 3 feet. Another square we are going to draw upon hypotenuse, that is this. You know hypotenuse 5 feet, this side 5 feet, this side 5 feet, and this side 5 feet. Okay, square upon base, that means base square. What we call here in theorem, base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. It is actually area. Area of this square plus area of this square is equal to area of this square. Let me show you practically. This is 1 square feet. 1 square feet. Okay. I'll adjust these square feet. How many square feet are going to adjust in this square and in this square? If both the square feet, this plus this, are adjusted in this big square, that means this square plus this square is equal to area of this square. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to fill up this square. Okay, how many squares are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 square feet have been adjusted in these two squares. Now, if we took these squares, 25 square feet, if they adjusted in this big square, then this square plus this square is equal to this square. Okay, let me. Okay, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That means 25 square feet have been adjusted in this square. It proves area of this square plus area of this square is equal to area of this square. Have got it? Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. All the best.